Hey guys, it's Greg Alexander with Alexander the Greg Fishing, and today I got a story for you. Not everything I'm going to do is going to be a fishing adventure, but maybe something related to fishing. And the story goes kind of like this. Let's look outside first. Nasty, cold, windy, snow on the ground. We had 8 inches of snow Sunday night. Here it is Friday. We had another 2 inches last night. So winter is kicking in and it's hard to make videos under these conditions. But anyhow, I tried to go out the other day to try to get some footage, and I get to the boat ramp and everything's covered with ice and snow. The ramp's okay, but the docks are covered in like 2 inches of compacted icy snow. No big deal, I'm going anyhow. I knew the water temperature was going to be, pretty low. It had been about 50 degrees the previous weekend. The fish were biting. I figured with all the runoff and cold evenings and whatnot in the snow, it'd be pretty cold. It was about 41 degrees. So understanding that, it was about 40, 45 degrees out when I get to the boat ramp. I get to the boat ramp, I back my boat into the water, get out, unhook it, slide it back, tie it off. I get a phone call. I go sit in my truck, take care of the business on the phone call that I got. In the meantime, my boat kind of caught on the edge of the trailer. So, not knowing that, I pulled up and I'm like looking in my rearview mirror and I'm like, why did my boat just jerk? And I'm like, that was weird. And I look back and my tie-off rope broke. So here I am in a tidal river with an empty boat ramp, with the exception of some guy in a work truck having lunch across the way. And my boat breaks free and it's sliding back towards the current. And I'm thinking, oh no, here we go. So I jumped out real quick. I ran out, and I was a long jumper in high school, so I thought I'm just going to take a running leap into the boat. And I hit that dock, and it's like pure ice. So that's out of the question. So I'm watching my boat, and it there's like two boat ramps. There's a double wide boat ramp and a single wide boat ramp with a dock between the double wide and the single wide, and one dock on the other side. And so I thought to myself, well, I'll run around there and maybe I can get to that. And I thought, no, that's not going to be close enough either. So my boat's slowly drifting out, getting ready to hit the current. And I'm thinking, well, my boat's just going to take off down the river and it's going to be gone. And I can't, time I call somebody, who knows where it'll end up. And so I'm freaking out. And so I'm thinking, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? So here I am, 40 degrees outside, snow on the ground. And here it goes. Everything's coming off. I'm getting ready to go for the plunge to go get my boat. Now let me get my hat. This has never happened to me before. I mean, nothing even like this. And I got thinking later, man, if I'd been really sharp, I got a remote for my power poles in my truck. I should have reached for that, hit down and just stopped it in the ramp. But I got a little bit too flustered, I guess, and it got away from me. So then I'm stripping down, and I'm down in my t-shirt and my skivvies, and I'm getting ready to go for the plunge. And then it hits me. Man, I'm 60 years old, fat and tired. I'm gonna hit this 41 degree water. What in the world's gonna happen? Is this gonna be dangerous for me? And that's something you gotta think about. But I was gonna do it. And I was like, well, Lord, just give me a little help here. And so my boat's like, maybe 15 feet out in front of the dock in an eddy, getting ready to catch the current. And the front of the boat kicks around, and I'm thinking to myself, if I wait too long, then I'm going to have to swim a long ways to get to my boat. I got to make a decision here. But that little voice just says, just chill for a second. So I just stopped and chilled for a second, and I thought, well, if it gets past the side of this other dock, I'm going for it. And the front of the boat kicks around, and the boat literally backs into the next ramp over, I step in my boat and of course tie it off and get my clothes back on. So we should always think things through before we do it. I thought that'd be a funny story for you. I'm looking around like, who's here? I'm standing here in my underwear in the middle of wintertime on the end of this dock covered with ice, getting ready to jump into the water and get my boat. So I just thought that'd be a funny story for you guys today, something to think about. Hey, if you got a questionable rope, get a new one. That rope I have, I've had that rope forever and ever, and I guess it's just dry rotted and it's seen its day. So make sure you got a good rope. Make sure you got it tied off good, especially in the wintertime when you're there by yourself fishing. And don't put yourself in a potentially dangerous situation. Try to think things through. So there's a story for today. Y'all can laugh, whatever you want to do. But take that lesson. Again, I thank you for watching. And if you like my content for my instructional videos and a story that I'll be giving you every once in a while, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. That'll help me. That'll help you. And I'll be bringing more videos here soon. Thank you.